I started this week with a 100% win rate in the markets, and all I trade with is simply fair value gaps, and I use liquidity to determine where I want price action to target in the market. Now, over 96% of traders are unprofitable in the market, so why are you going to do what the 96% of traders are doing in the markets? It is that simple. As you can see, we currently have this bullish fair value gap that we're currently respecting, and as you probably know, what do ICT traders do when we are inside of bullish fair value gaps? The answer is most ICT traders normally take long positions from bullish fair value gaps that look like this. But what I actually do is I wait for these bullish fair value gaps to be disrespected, therefore it turns into an inversion bearish fair value gap, and then I can expect price action to come down and take some sort of sell side liquidity that is resting in the market. So on the next candle, as you can see, we get a candle close below this bullish fair value gap. I now enter into a short position. My stop loss simply goes if we get a candle close back above this now inversion fair value gap, and then my take profit is simply sell side liquidity that is resting in the market. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live every single day in the market, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. Becoming a funded trader has never been easier than it is right now. All you need to be able to do is identify a strong draw on liquidity in the markets and trade fair value gaps how they should be traded. Most ICT traders will never catch a trade like this simply because they are too scared and they don't know how to short from bullish fair value gaps that look like this. But this is literally all that you need to be doing in the markets. The reason you could have entered into this exact trade right here is because we have this bullish fair value gap right here. Now, most ICT traders never even consider short positions from bullish fair value gaps, and this is where they are going completely wrong. As you can see with this bullish fair value gap, what we have below it is a bearish candle close below the bullish fair value gap. This means that right here, as soon as we get the candle close below this bullish fair value gap here, that this fair value gap has now been disrespected and turned into an inversion fair value gap. So what we can expect from this point in the market is that we come down and take some sort of sell side liquidity, and in this instance it was this draw on liquidity right here, which was simply a swing low in the market. Now, I trade this model live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. I did not take a losing trade today, and that is because I found the most powerful strategy that reads exactly what the price action wants to do in the market. Now, all this strategy involves is simply using fair value gaps and liquidity that is resting in the market. As you can see, we have had this market structure shift or change of character or break of structure to the downside. Most ICT traders will now only be interested in short positions, and this is where you are going completely wrong. You should wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. I never pay attention to trends in the market. My daily bias is 100 times more important. So as you can see, we've had a candle close above this bearish fair value gap. This now means that we should come up and take some sort of buy side liquidity, or at least tap into a bearish fair value gap that has not been mitigated yet. So what I will do is I will enter into a long position. My stop loss will simply be if we get a candle close back below this now bearish fair value gap, and my take profit will simply be buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live every single day in the markets, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. Pass 100% of the prop firm challenges that you take if you simply learn how fair value gaps and liquidity work in the market. If we are looking at this price action right here, it probably means absolutely nothing to you. You probably don't know what to do in a situation like this, but what I notice is that we are reacting from a higher time frame bearish fair value gap to the left, as well as that we have created this extremely strong bullish fair value gap here. Now, most ICT traders are only ever interested in long positions from bullish fair value gaps, and that is why most ICT traders and traders in general are unprofitable. What you should be doing is waiting for a bullish fair value gap to be disrespected. This means that now we should come down and take some sort of sell side liquidity, or at least tap into an unmitigated fair value gap. In this instance, we only have sell side liquidity resting below that has not been tapped into yet. So I will enter into a short position. My stop loss will simply go back above this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit is the sell side liquidity resting in the market. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live and learn this day trading strategy, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio.